Hey there, happy Valentine's Day. We're gonna make Belgian Liege waffles today. Yum. So, first thing we do is measure out our flours. We're gonna use half cake flour, half bread flour. I'm gonna go ahead and tare our scale. And we're gonna start with this cake flour. We're gonna do 100 grams. Time for the bread flour, same amount, 100 grams. All right, we have our flour measured out. We're gonna add 70 grams of sugar. Here we go. Just pour that right out. Perfect.
Now we're tossing in 6 grams of dried yeast.
We're going to mix our dry ingredients together. Okay, now we're going to add the first part of our wet ingredients. We've got some milk here. We're going to put that right in. Pour it all around. And then we have 2 eggs cracked, ready to go. Yolks and whites. All right, now we're gonna mix these together. Mix them all nice and smooth, get all the lumps out. Right, we've got it nice and mixed, no more lumps. Time to add our butter. Here we go. All right, our melted butter is in. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of honey.
A pinch of salt.
We mix everything together now. We get a nice smooth batter. Go, little last stir. We get as much as we can off of our beater. And that'll do it. All right, we're gonna cover our bowl with plastic wrap. Just touch, tear off the plastic. All right, the next step is we're going to take this and put it in the microwave for just about 10 seconds. Heat it up just that much to get the yeast going. Now don't put it in too long or you'll kill the yeast and it won't work. Let's take a look. We've been waiting about 15 minutes, keeping it in a warm place. Probably need a couple more bubbles, but you can smell it. Smell that yeast working. Give it a few more minutes.
While we're waiting for that batter to finish rising, we're gonna prep our old waffle maker. This guy's about 20 years old. Gonna spray him with some coconut oil. And here we go, put just a little bit right in the center of one of these burners. What makes these Liege waffles different from normal Belgian waffles is they should be round. And also the batter is a lot thicker, like a brioche dough, where a Belgian waffle will spread out to the edges. These one you keep away from the sides. Also, a little bit of pearl sugar here on the top. my 20-year-old waffle maker has a little bit of an uneven heating surface, so I actually flipped them over halfway through, just to make them cook evenly. When you're done making your waffles, you want to put them on a rack and cool them thoroughly.
We're going to melt some chocolate to put on top of these waffles. We're going to use this Ghirardelli melting wafers. Now this is a perfect chocolate for melting. You don't have to temper it. It'll come out with a nice shine. All right. And we can do it in the microwave. A couple more. That'll do it. Now you take your chocolate and you put it in the microwave, half power, defrost setting for 30 seconds. And if it's not fully melted, do it another 15 seconds at a time. All right, chocolate's all melted up. It ended up taking about 1.5 minutes in a few different sessions. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it on top of these fantastic waffles. All right, we're gonna dip these guys sugar side right into this chocolate. Be a little bit dirty, I'm sure, but we wanna get them up and kind of shake off any little extra. And then go ahead, put them down right on our sheet. Super yummy. You should make them for your Valentine. They'll be so happy. Thanks for watching.